Welcome to my channel of singing lessons from scratch. I am Natalia Bliss, a singer, pianist and vocal technique teacher. Today I'll show you the 10-minute vocal warm-up for singing in the morning.
How I'm defying gravity.
Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Si la rosa se marchita, fuego.
It's my English channel. You also have my channel available in Spanish. Natalia Bliss, clases de canto desde cero.
Canta conmigo.
Singing in the morning is different than singing in the evening because our voice is still asleep. You have to consider that it takes 2 hours for our voice to wake up. For example, if you wake up at 8, your voice will wake up at 10. My advice: start gradually, from the easiest exercises to more complex ones. Another important thing is to practice vocal warm-up in 2 vocal registers, the chest voice and the head voice. Don't force your voice. I also recommend my playlist for beginners. You can find it here. We start with the lip trill exercise. You need to breathe correctly, using diaphragmatic coastal breathing. The male voice begins from A2 and the female voice from A3.
Seguimos. Activos. Y más. Vamos. Más. La voz de cabeza, chicas. Passaggio, hombres. Chicos, passaggio. Un poco más. Una más.
The next exercise we sing on a single note. You have to feel the good engagement of your diaphragm.
Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi.
The sound shouldn't be weak and airy.
Sa, so, su, se, si. No, tiene que salir activo. 1, 2, 3 y sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. ¿Activos? Vamos. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Más. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. ¿Activos? Chicos, abajo. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Sa, so, su, se, si, fa, fo, fu, fe, fi. Un poco más. Y una más.
following exercise is for the passaggio. It's important to transition from your chest voice to your head voice with a very relaxed sound. The male voice starts here and the female voice here.
¿Vale?
The next exercise, pay attention to your vocalization. Your jaw has to be relaxed, and you need to move it downward.
Si la rosa se marchita, totalmente relajada. 1, 2, 3 y si la rosa se marchita, 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 si la rosa se marchita. Las chicas Passaggio. Si la rosa se marchita, 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 si la rosa se marchita. Bajamos. Si la rosa se marchita. Y los chicos abajo. Aquí. Solo chicos. Las chicas pueden seguir arriba. Si la rosa se marchita. Los chicos abajo. Si la rosa se marchita. 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 Los chicos abajo. Si la rosa se marchita. Y bajamos más. Si la rosa se marchita. Si la rosa se marchita. Suave. Si la rosa se marchita. Una más. Si la rosa se marchita. Muy bien.
And finally, to wake up our neighbors, we're going to say, hey, hey, fire! The sound is projected. Pay attention to your breathing. If you still don't know how to breathe correctly, I recommend watching this video. I leave it here.
Hey, hey, fuego. 1, 2, 3 y hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Ya vamos. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Los chicos abajo aquí. Seguimos. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey. Las chicas pasamos a voz de cabeza y seguimos. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Hey, hey, fuego. Los chicos, Passaggio. Hey, hey, fuego.
And to finish, go back to the lip trill exercise, like this. I hope you enjoyed my video. Keep practicing and improving your vocal technique and enjoy your voice. See you!